What's up, everybody? What are you looking at right now? What do you see? You see huge boxes. You know where that's going? That all that stuff is worth $2,300. My friend spent had it shipped to me because he wants me to work on his 2021 Honda Accord Sport. So I'm gonna be building his Accord from scratch, and he wants me to work on his Accord because he really loves mine. And look at all these boxes, guys. And you know that long piece right there, that's Yofers. And we also have another piece that's going to be coming in from Yofers as well, that's missing. Missing meaning it's still on the way. It's coming. It might arrive tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're subscribed, make sure you enable all the notifications by hitting that bell icon next to my subscribe button. Just click on the icon button and press all. That dog is barking. Probably see some squirrels, not mine, it's the neighbors. But yeah, this is a lot of stuff right here, guys. Check this out. That is crazy right here. Look at this, all this stuff. There's a bunch of stuff in these small boxes right there, but the rest are hiding because it's gonna be coming up in the videos. So stay tuned and keep watching. This is gonna be exciting. Comment below what you guys think, what I'm gonna be adding. It's gonna be fun, making a nice make it a nice conversation in the bottom. And let me know what you think I'm gonna be putting on to that 2021 Honda Accord. You guys saw my previous videos when I said my friend got his 2021 Honda Accord. That's the one we'll be working on. So it's very exciting, guys. Stay tuned and keep watching. I appreciate the support, and I'll let you guys know. I'm obviously gonna make videos in detail so you guys can do it yourself as well. But also a disclaimer, guys. Make sure whenever you install something, consider safety first and make sure everything is working properly. Like for instance, jack stands, or make sure the jack is tight enough, or make sure it's not really old jack where you're gonna be like, oh, let me lift up the car and go under it. That's a no-go. Stuff like that, just stay safe. Safety is first. And then when you try to install something, when you're using a blade to cut wires or something like that, just do it carefully, don't rush anything. And don't hurt yourself while doing it. So this is going to be exciting, guys. Stay tuned and peace out. Until next time.